Hi, so I'm doing a review of the Razer BlackWidow and Steelseries 6GV2. I'll do quick because I gotta go work. So, if you look at the keyboard, it's glossy plastic, so it's really dirty. There's a lot of dust. I don't know if you can see. Better this time. Lots of hairs and crap. Meanwhile, it's much better on the Steelseries. It doesn't get as dirty as quickly. If you look at the touch of the feeling of the keys, they're a lot softer, feels better, and the sound is really much more quiet. Like I'll do a comparison just here. See? And then it's a lot worse, as you see. Okay, and then, oh yes, the feel of the keys is more rubbish on the Razer, and it's smoother on the Steelseries. The font, as you see, is different. It's either like or hate. To me, it's a little harder to read, but not a big deal. It have 5 hotkeys, which can be useful, but not necessary. It will be shorter if you don't have them, as you see. The keyboard takes less place. The enter key is bigger there, which can be nice to have, like the older keyboards. And there it's just a standard enter. What else? Oh, I don't know why, but the spacebar keeps doing like I press once and it does 2 or 3 hits, but it never happened on the Steelseries. Also, the double click on the type of keys, which is Cherry Blue MX, is bad for double tapping, such as dodging in Unreal Tournament. If you do this, it won't always register, but always does on the Razer Steelseries. Excuse me. There's no Windows key here, which is annoying to me, but I'll get used to it. Oh, for the weight, it's quite heavy. Both actually are as heavy. It feels really solid, like you could smash it and it will still work. The feeling of the keys is 20x times better than standard keyboard, as you don't feel like pressing in mud. It's really great. Once you touch it, you can't ever go back, trust me. So that what conclude the test, I guess. I don't think I forget anything. Oh yes, I personally like the Razer. The feeling is good, but I can't stand the noise at all, and anyway all the rest is much better on the Steelseries. It costs a little more, but you see, you pay for quality. Trust me, it's a better bet.